Throughout Contractor Pro, there are many ways for you to review an existing appointment. You can click on an appointment on the calendar. There are links on the homepage. You can open appointments after searching in appointment search and financial search. The appointment detail page is a recap of what you have entered in the appointment on the appointment. Here, I would like to explain how these buttons are used. Universally, the pencil icon means edit in Contractor Pro. If I click on it, I get to edit the appointment information. If the appointment is canceled, you can click Cancel Appointment button to cancel it. In Contractor Pro, an appointment could be in one of three statuses. It is in a scheduled status once created. If canceled, it is in a cancel status. I'm going to explain completed status next. Once the appointment is completed, you can click on the Mark Complete button to finalize the financial information. On the pop-up, you can enter the actual bill amount. That is the bill amount you gave to the customer. You can additionally enter the actual material cost, that is the cost of all materials. Optionally, there is other costs where you can keep track of any other costs incurred in this appointment. It could be lunch money or travel costs. It is up to you. If the customer paid you already, you can enter it in Payment Received field. These four fields are completely optional. If you do not enter them, but simply click Confirm Completion, the appointment will be moved to completed status from scheduled status. If you intend to use the powerful financial features of Contractor Pro, I encourage you to enter the information on the pop-up as accurately as possible. Here, let me enter the actual billed amount as $2,000. Actual material costs as $800. Other costs as none. Payment received as $2,000. Click Confirm Completion. Now you can see the information you just entered and displayed here. And the Cancel Appointment button and Mark Complete. These two buttons are only available when the appointment is in scheduled status. You can update the payment information by clicking on Financial Transactions table. Say the check was bounced later, you can come back here and void this payment. Now payment received is $0. You can click on the Add Customer Payment button to enter additional payment. On the pop-up, select payment date and enter the payment amount. Negative amount means refund to the customer. You can add any note. Click Save. Now payment received is $1,000. If you have to pay to your associate for their work in the appointment, click Add Associate Payment button. On the pop-up, select payment date. Enter payment amount and select the associate. Click Save, and it shows up in the transaction table too. I would also like to point out, if you cancel or complete an appointment by mistake, you can always edit the appointment to change it back. Congratulations, now you know the ins and outs of appointment management in Contractor Pro. I encourage you to watch the video of appointment search and financial search to see how the information you have entered is used later.